Good evening, everyone. My name is Vinicio. I will be discussing the position picks. What is the position picks? Position picks means finding your exact location on Earth usually while you are at sea or flying an aircraft. It's how navigators know they are using map or compasses, GPS, other reference. It's very important because if you don't know our exact position, you can easily get lost. So position picks help sailor and pilots stay on the right course and reach their destination safely. For example, it's if a ship is in the middle of the ocean, they can use the sun star or GPS satellite to fix the position. That means they define their coordinate their latitude and longitude and mark it on map. So in short, position fix means knowing your exact location by using tools of natural reference para dili mawala ang or dili ka maglipog sa dag, dagan sa dagan o di makamawala sa dagat. That's all. The position fix. It's all about finding your position.